tonight. Tuchel, he's got to. You know, this is a...
You really have the killer instinct in that final
season he's had. I really like this boy. I think he should be one of the first names on the team sheet for England as well.
Not a lot of space. You need to really close and everything else.
A monster game ahead in the company of the players telling us in their own words exact tomorrow night. There's a sense that having lost twice to Leicester.
It's all going to be for me, for Chelsea.
To you all, same teams, different part of London, no trophy. But the reality is that Kai Havertz is injured. Okay. It's Chelsea versus Leicester, the sequel. And
he'll push that back line up the pitch, but his starting position.
West Brom on Sunday awarded the corner which Alisson headed in. Part here. We're underway. This, Alan, is big business effectively in a very popular way as well, apart from... It is in by Tielemans. They win, they get it tonight. Chelsea would have... Werner goes for the pass. Oh, and around the back came Azpilicueta. And James. Let's fly. Kasper Schmeichel had it covered. Okay now. Comes back to Conte again, and Pulisic. Corner.
Yeah, they've been pushed and pulled all over the...
Jorginho. Mount. Conte slid the season, weather-wise. It does in Turkey.
Vital that Leicester tries.
Is he going to shoot from it? No, he clips it in towards Vardy. Here's Tielemans.
Manchester United and Manchester City, you're bound to have a bit of confidence.
Again, Pulisic, Werner's coming in. Pulisic had a think about it, and he gives away the free kick.
Thiago Silva and Rudiger.
There he is. The cloud with a very silver lining. Sancho can be a little... Azpilicueta. Deflection. Foul goes to Timo Werner, or was adjudged to have fouled him. Jose Perez, from Newcastle, and Mount, who's looking for Werner, who scores! And the flag has gone up. I had a good look. Jorginho. Maybe on the call from Jose Perez, and tries to turn. And gets a corner out of it. Werner in the middle. Pulisic trying to plough his own down. As Maddison and Tielemans going to get Vardy.
Definitely got the upper hand in terms of their...
Still there! Well, he flashed quite early. And Dan Burn has, I think, finally got his...
And that didn't quite work. He changed it.
James has a go. Oh, and the deflection. Absence has allowed Billy Gilmore to get a few Premier League games. He started from Jorginho. Werner. He's never quite so confident on his right foot. He's half looking to the... This is one for Vardy to chase, but... On by Azpilicueta. Werner! Is it over the line? I think it is. It is. Beat on the watch, Timo Werner. He's not happy with the VAR. Very muddled finish. We're seeing it from the back of Werner, really, but here's Azpilicueta. Oh, and a Mount. For Azpilicueta. Oh, Werner. It wouldn't have been no chance for Albrighton to cross. Vardy coming around the back and Tielemans to take. Another chance. Match. Taking possession, and Mount has wriggled free. Pulisic. For Azpilicueta. Oh, Werner. It wouldn't have been his goal. Pulisic was coming in to try and finish it off, and now it's another free kick to Leicester.
Well, I think Leicester will be pleased to get through to half-time. Certainly Brendan Rodgers will.